What if you had a personal assistant that can help you out on your daily task without ever getting tired, ever complaining, and most importantly, doing it very efficient? Stick around to find out more. How's it going, y'all? Alejandro here. Welcome back to Full Potential Mode. Today, let's talk about ChatGPT, a new AI tool from OpenAI that's making a big splash online. We'll cover what it is, how it works, and some of the benefits and challenges. Let's get started. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI tool made by OpenAI, a company started by Sam Altman. It became very popular quickly, gaining over 1 million subscribers in just 5 days. ChatGPT can have conversations, answer questions, and even correct mistakes. Here's an example of how you can use ChatGPT to answer a question for you. First of all, you're gonna need a prompt. A prompt is the way that you talk to ChatGPT. Remember to give ChatGPT a persona and the specific goals on exactly what you need. Today, we'll be asking ChatGPT to break down my weekly workout routine. I will say, you are a fitness expert. Give me a detailed fitness program for a 30-day challenge. Boom. As a fitness expert, I can certainly help you create a 30-day fitness challenge. Keep in mind that this is a general program and that it may need to be tailored to your specific needs and goals and fitness levels. Perfect. So we're gonna let ChatGPT do its thing, generate this entire fitness program, and I'm gonna show you guys how to keep on talking to ChatGPT to perfect your outcome with it. Okay? This is very impressive. To be honest, I might just have to include this workout into my routine. ChatGPT, thank you. I'm gonna name this one Fitness GPT. Matter of fact, if you want to see a nice challenge with ChatGPT and fitness, I will put myself through this challenge. I might have to take this 30-day fitness program. I love that. My follow-up prompt was perfect. I am 160 pounds and I would like to gain 3 to 5 pounds of muscle in this 30-day challenge. What should my diet look like? You are also an expert dietitian. And it goes on to tell me, gaining 3 to 5 pounds of muscle in 30 days is ambitious, but with the proper nutrition and consistent training, pretty much you can reach this goal. Now, this is impressive. This is something that I would have to have gone to an expert nutritionist or a dietitian to get this information from. But here's an example of how you can ask ChatGPT for a question on a daily task, something that you would actually have to break down for about a day to contact the people, do the research. ChatGPT was able to do this for me in less than 5 minutes. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT learns from a lot of text data that comes from many sources, including its users. ChatGPT, just like any software, gets better with every update. Here we can explore a timeline of ChatGPT. A little information here triggered my eye that the training model only took 34 days. And the tool cost around $100,000 per day to run on Microsoft Azure cloud. Despite being generated by an AI, an average 53 of the people can tell that ChatGPT content is not human written. We can see right over here that on December of 2022, after being launched on November 30th, by December, ChatGPT had already become widely used and dominated chat rooms as the next innovative AI language technology. And a month after that, on January 2023, ChatGPT reaches 100 million monthly users, a faster rate of adoption than Instagram and TikTok. The chatbot makes headlines for its ability to pass prestigious graduate level exams. By February of 2023, ChatGPT receives an estimated 1 billion visitors and an average of 35 million visitors per day. ChatGPT Plus is now released, and now on March of 2023, ChatGPT 4 has been released, which has been insane. ChatGPT is the fastest growing company in the history of the internet. It's impressive what ChatGPT is doing. What can ChatGPT do? ChatGPT can fix grammar, make summaries, turn movies into emojis, and solve problems in computer code. A really incredible example of how to summarize a YouTube video. You're gonna go to YouTube, you're gonna find a video that you like, and you're gonna download an app called Clasp. You're gonna open it right over here. You're gonna copy this, go to ChatGPT. I'll go ahead and paste the entire script there, right? And ChatGPT will give me an entire video script based on the video that I just provide to it. Whoa. now you see ChatGPT providing an entire script from my YouTube channel about ChatGPT 4. This is a tool for video creators that it's impressive. Now, after ChatGPT gives you the script, you want to edit it to your liking. Use your own wording. If you prompt ChatGPT the right way prior to giving it the link of the video, and you show it how you want to talk, and you show it the things that you would say and how you would look at it, it could give you a better output with your type of language, how you talk, and then it'll be easier for you to edit. But just get creative with ChatGPT. Summarize things, summarize articles if you're a content creator, and put your own twist to it. Put it out there, and now you're refeeding the internet with more information with your point of view on it. The future of ChatGPT. Some people think ChatGPT could replace search engines like Google someday. As it keeps getting better, it might have new ways to make money, like ads or small payments. Now, let's use ChatGPT a different way. Let's use it through Microsoft Bing. Let's say I am in downtown LA for 2 days. My budget is $2,000. I am with my girlfriend, and we would like to do at least 5 activities. Plan a hotel, my car rental. I don't think you have to actually do this, do it anyway. My car rental. Oh shoot. And give me all information on a timeline. This is what it does. There you go. Sure, I can help you plan your trip in downtown LA for 2 days with a budget of $2,000. You can consider staying at the Ace Hotel downtown in LA. It's a trendy hotel. Perfect. Now, Microsoft Bing's ChatGPT offers me suggestions on what to do on day 1. Check in, visit Grammy Museum. It ends up giving me an entire 2-day breakdown of what I could do. It gives me the websites. It gives me exactly where I would need to go. ChatGPT is an exciting tool. It has some challenges and ethical concerns, but it also offers new ways for people to interact with technology. What do you think about ChatGPT? Is it a good thing, or is it a risk to society? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Full Potential for more videos about creativity, passion, and innovation. See you next time.